Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to use your own face in Leonardo AI. For this hair, you can see this is a picture of any model, and then this is a picture created by Leonardo AI. Here, you will see how you can create these images from Leonardo AI. So, first of all, you want to open your favorite browser. Once the browser is open in front of you, then go to Leonardo AI and log in using your free credentials. Once you log in, options are available right here in Leonardo AI. You can see there are a lot of options, a lot of models to create your own images. But, we will see how we can use our model to create images. So, go to the left side and click on Training and Dataset. This is the fourth option. In this format, click on it. After clicking, that kind of format will open in front of you. Here, you can see I have one model created. But now, we will see how we can create a model. Click on New Dataset. After clicking, a new window will appear in front of you. Once it's open, here you will just type your dataset name. So, just type your dataset name like that. I am typing custom model. After typing custom model, go below in the dataset description. Here, we will just type the description. I'm just writing this is my dataset model. Dataset button at the bottom, so click on it. After clicking, a new format will appear within seconds, displaying your dataset's name and its corresponding description. Scroll down to find the section designated for adding images to your model. Simply click on Upload Images, and select all the images you want to include. After selecting your images, click the Open button, initiating the upload process. Once uploaded to Leonardo AI, locate the Train Model button positioned at the top right-hand corner and click on it. After clicking, a new format will open in front of you. Here, you will just type your model name again. So, I am writing right here, Custom Model. After writing Custom Model, go to the description again. And here, you will see this is my custom model. After writing, this is my custom model, go below, and you will see the option of training resolutions. Click on that arrow, and two options will be in front of you. First one is 512, and the next one is 768 times 768. So, we will click on 512 as a default resolution. After that, just go to the front of that training resolution. You will see the option of base model. In this, just click on the arrow. After clicking here, you will see the two options, Stable Diffusion 512 by 12 and below that, Stable Diffusion 768 times 768. But, we will select Stable Diffusion. After clicking below that, you will see this is a recommended model. So, then go to the Category section, click on that arrow. After clicking here, you can choose any category, but I will choose Photography. In Photography, after clicking, just write right here, Instance Prompt. So, you can type anything, but I will type Custom Model. After writing Custom Model here, then you will click on Start Training. After clicking, your model will start training, and you will receive an email in your Gmail account. So, go to the Gmail account, and here you can see Leonardo AI mail, Model Training Complete. It means our model training has been completed. So, please open it. After taking that confirmation, open in front of you. Our model has been generated. So, go back to the Leonardo AI. And then, once you're in Leonardo AI, go to the left side of the PC screen, and here you will see a button of image generation. So, click on it. After clicking, that kind of format will open in front of you. Once it's open in front of you, here you can see there is a format here where we can easily generate images from Leonardo AI. Here, first of all, we want to change our model. So, click on that arrow. After clicking, most of the models will be in front of you. In this model, we will just select Custom Model created by us. After clicking, it will be selected, so, let's generate and see what kind of image it will generate. So, just write a prompt like that. I am writing, Custom Model in a Village, 8K Result Ultra HD, award-winning photography. So, after writing that, just hit the Generate button, and the generation process will start. It will not take too much time. Here you go, your image has been generated. That's the way to generate images using your own model in Leonardo AI. Here you go, your image has been generated. That's the way to generate images using your own model in Leonardo AI. If you click on that image, it will be shown properly to you. It is a great result while using Leonardo AI. We can easily install it. So, download this image, go to the bottom of the Ultimate, and you will see a button of download. Click on it. After clicking, it will be downloaded and saved in your PC storage. That was the way to create images from Leonardo AI using your face. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.